Hi guys, today we are gonna do explosion. We already unboxed the box. So let me tell you all our ingredients. So first we need our volcano, and then we need this powder. It's kind of red. Then we need water. Then we need something to stir. And then we need a measuring cup, the measuring spoon, and then we need our citric acid. Then we have our thingy that makes lightning. Let me tell you how to build it. You need a long string like this. Then you need a toilet paper roll and close the bottom and cut 5 holes in it. Then put this in, and then you have your Okay, so first we're going to start with our citric acid. We are going to pour it in our water. Okay, so let's pour it. Okay, we're not actually going to pour it, we're going to take it with this spoon. Okay guys, now we're going to mix it. I'm so excited to mix it actually. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now we are done mixing. It took a little while. So then we're gonna pour it inside of our volcano, and we are gonna have another video that's gonna be we're gonna build a volcano that's 10 times bigger. That's about it. More. Okay, there we go. Now we are gonna add our citric acid. I mean, not citric acid, of red power. So open it off. So we're gonna add our red baking powder. It's called red baking powder, by the way. Okay. Are you ready, guys? Ready, guys? Steady. Look at our explosion! It's so cool! It's exploding! I'm so happy it's working. Now let's do the other one. Maybe the other one. Let's take a big scoop for the other one. You ready, guys? Okay, this one I think is gonna explode big. Let's put it on top of there so we don't want it to. Look how big that one exploding is, literally going out of the volcano. It's so cool. I love it. It's so cool. It's so cool. And let's do our shaky. That's cool. So guys, this is why it creates this, because this citric acid is an acid, and this baking soda, if you mix it with the citric acid, it causes an explosion. Bye guys, this is the end of the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked the explosion.